Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and totally free way to add your Figma frames into a device mockup. If you've ever wanted to make your designs look more realistic, like they're already on a smartphone or laptop, stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools and know-how to make your Figma projects stand out with professional-looking mockups. No fancy software needed. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you've got your Figma file open. Maybe you have a web design, an app layout, or just about any creative frame you want to showcase. Having your design ready to go is crucial here. Now look to the bottom menu of Figma, not the top, where you usually see File and Edit, but down at the bottom of the interface. There's a section called Actions. Sometimes it's easy to miss, so take a moment to spot it. Clicking on Actions opens up a whole set of tools and features that can really speed up your workflow. From here, we want to access plugins and gadgets. Give that a click and you'll see a search bar pop up. This is where Figma lets you expand its capabilities with all sorts of cool plugins. Go ahead and type in mockups. It might take a few seconds for the search results to load, especially if you have a lot of plugins installed or if your internet is a bit slow, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once you see the list, find a plugin called something like Mockup. Sometimes it's called Mockups or Device Mockup. If you're unsure, look for a plugin with good ratings and lots of installs. You can always hover over the names to read a little description about what each one does. For this demo, let's assume you're using a plugin that shows you a sample image right off the bat. This is handy because sometimes you want to preview how your design will fit into different device frames before committing. Now click on Run or Open next to the plugin. This brings up the mockup interface inside your Figma window. Think of this part as your backstage area. It's where the magic happens before you send your design out into the world. Next, browse through the available mockup designs inside the plugin. You'll find all sorts of options: phones, tablets, laptops, maybe even smartwatches. Pick one that matches the style or platform you're designing for. For example, if you've created a mobile app, choosing a popular phone mockup will make your design instantly relatable to clients or users. Once you select your mockup device, the plugin will prompt you to choose an image. Here, where your Figma frame comes in, you'll need to export your frame as an image first, or if the plugin allows, you can simply select the frame directly. If you're exporting, right-click on your frame in Figma, select Export, and then upload that image to the plugin. Don't worry if this step feels a bit roundabout, the plugin is just asking. Which design do you want to place on the device? Be sure you're using the right image or frame, especially if you have several options in your file. Once your design is in the mockup, you'll see it beautifully layered over the device of your choice. Usually there's a button like Add to Figma, Insert, or something similar. Click that and the mockup, complete with your actual design, will land right back into your Figma file as a new frame or image. If it doesn't look perfect right away, remember you can resize or move it as needed to fit your presentation. And just like that, you've added your Figma frame into a slick device mockup without having to leave Figma or pay for separate software. Showcasing your work this way can make a big difference when you're presenting to clients, updating your portfolio, or just sharing your designs with the team. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma trick you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step design tutorials, and happy designing.